sounds like when he's snoring. Gangsta style, motherfuckers. He's probably gonna choke up here pretty soon. That's prime time. You know what causes that? What causes that is whenever, what causes that shit is whenever your pant size is like 38, 32, or 40, 33. You know what I'm saying? See that? This right here is what I just acquired from the hotel, from the town I live in. That's how you do things around here. That right there is gonna be good as fuck. That too. Spilled syrup all over my fucking jeans. Getting in my truck, okay? And I spilled it all over my seat. So fuck off. You going to work, Kevin, today? Still sleeping? You going to work today? Need some tucking in?